Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazim bin Muhammad Noor, and today I will talk about introduction of KGW Logistic. Okay. First of all, KGW Logistic founded in 2005, and they usually provide a variety of services that help in the transfer of component and materials from supplier to manufacturers, as well as finished goods from manufacturers to shipping companies and vendors. This includes sea, air, and land transportation, as well as warehousing and good forwarding. They are now a key participant in the Asia Pacific area after years of sustained growth. Next, KGW Logistic is a Malaysian NVOCC that provides comprehensive logistics services across the whole supply chain. We strive to continue demonstrating the benefits that we provide to our clients. That they are provide to their clients in a variety of industry such as consumer goods, construction, retails, communication, electronic supplies, oil and gas, education, and health care. So that's all from me in introduction. Thank you.
Thank you, Nazim. My name is Muhammad Fakrullah bin Muhammad Fuad. I will present about procurement operation. Follow the strategy that align with the procurement strategy goal, which are the KGW logistic collaborating with the international network in the international sea and air transportation. They cover key shipping lanes around the Asia Pacific, and they are collaborating with the US Federal Maritime Commission as a non-vessel operating common carrier (NVOCC) to get the better trade between Asia Pacific and the United States. So with the KGW logistic be the NVOCC, it can able to move the good without operating any vessel, any ship, unlike the freight for the service usually. So from this volume of good, it can be increased by directing the space of the container in the shipping lane freight forwarder. With the wider shipping lanes, it can speed up the process of customer placing order, and then the benefit from this, KGW can negotiate the best price for its customer certification on delivery duty paid (DDP), the Incoterms concept. The type of procurement it practiced was the indirect procurement, because the procurement it procures does not directly on the production of KGW logistic, which was healthcare. So it procures the equipment of IT, equipment of office and transportation service for the customer. So in order to get the best price, the advantage from it gets from the indirect procurement was it can scale the economic scale on the market trend. So it can purchase the good and service bulk on the best price. And then the market research it used was negotiate with the major carriers such as Mazet, Costco, and CMP. So from this, the KGW logistic market was decentralized because it can get a fast approval from the Marriotts, Costco, and CMP, and analyzing the budget and quotation requests for better sale and maximize the profit. And then it select the supplier. How it select the supplier? The supplier must meet the requirement based on the pricing, capability, and delivery schedule. And then the clear process. What is the clear process? The clear process is the process to delivery, and the procurement by placing an order. The clear process. The type of process is house order fulfillment. The details such as the product or service being ordered, quantity, price, and delivery date are included in the purchase order, also custom clearance. The concept is used is FOB, free on board, which was the concept is all the damage to the goods are transferred from the seller to the buyer, which are from the shipping point. The buyer take the title of the goods, and then the seller, like KGW, only take responsibility by covering the expense related to the goods until they are confined to the vessel or aircraft loading deck. And then the KGW logistic, the role was also provide the issue that related to the bill of lading. The bill of lading must be signed by the buyer. After that, making the payment for export and import needs documentation such as.
My name is Nur Ayanisa binti Nurzaidi. I will continue my part, which factors and elements which will affect the procurement management and processing in the organisation. First factor is technology. It is undeniable that technology has become a crucial element in the management and processing of organizations. With proper use of information technology, the acquisition process can be made more effective and quicker, as order, inventory and supplier performance can all be monitored and tracked more easily with the use of automatic procurement management system, software and online communication tools. KGW Logistics can use the advancements in technology such as artificial intelligence (AI) and automation are rapidly changing how procurement is done. These technological advancements can increase effectiveness, streamline procurement procedures, and facilitate decision making in KGW Logistics. To gain a competitive advantage, KGW Logistics should implement these pertinent technologies that support its procurement. By doing so, they can improve their procurement process and achieve their desired outcomes. The second factors that greatly impacts management and processing in an organization in the KGW Logistics is the supplier connection. In times of uncertainty, developing strong connections with supplier is essential. Establishing strategic alliance and keeping lines of communication open can facilitate collaborative problem solving between the organizations and its suppliers. Procurement managers in KGW Logistics must evaluate supplier dependability, diversify their supplier base, and consider elements like supplier location, stability in finance, and manufacturing capacity. For KGW Logistics procurement, it is essential to choose reputable and capable suppliers to improve their procurement process in the organizations. By developing a strong relationship with reliable suppliers, KG Logistics can ensure a steady supply of goods and service, which can lead to more efficient and effective procurement process. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Nisa. So my name is Muhammad Adel Syakirin bin Sairi. So I will continue the element or factor that affect management and processing in organisation. So the third factor or element is legal and regulatory environment. This is because procurement activities are subject to various laws, regulations and also the policies. So the compliance with these legal requirements such as public procurement regulation or industry specific regulation, which is very important and can have a very significant impact on a company's procurement management. So for this company, which is the KGW Logistics, ensure that this legal factor can play an important role for their procurement management, so as not to cause other problems that may affect the company's performance and to be able to improve their procurement management. So for the last factor is risk management. To reduce risk, procurement management for KGW Logistics needs to be more effective. Among the risks that often occur are supply chain disruption, price fluctuation, quality issues, legal or compliance risks, and also the reputational risk. Developing a risk management strategy and also the contingency plan is essential to maintain the performance and also the reputation for KGW Logistics. So this company needs to take care to minimize the risk in their company, especially in the procurement management. This is to prevent the KGW Logistics from suffering any losses that could bring down their company's performance, which ultimately has a negative impact on them. So, in order to management and operate a procurement effectively, KGW Logistics needs to carefully evaluate and take into account all the important elements and also make appropriate judgment to make procurement management for their company more effective and efficient. To manage and handle procurement inside the company successfully, KGW Logistics must evaluate and take into account certain elements and also the consideration. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm here to present some key recommendations that will help improve the procurement management of our organization, KGW Logistics. By implementing this suggestion, we can enhance our operations, strengthen supplier relationship, and ultimately improve customer certification. The first recommendation is to enhance our procurement strategy. It is crucial to align our procurement strategy with our organizational goal. By doing so, we ensure that our procurement activities contribute to the overall success of KGW Logistics. When selecting supplier and service providers, we must consider factors such as cost effectiveness, reliability, efficiency, and flexibility. We enable us to meet customer demand and maintain our competitiveness. Additionally, collaborating with international network can help us expand our service and strengthen our global connection, allowing us to tap into new market and opportunities. The second recommendation focuses on strengthening our supplier relationship. Maintaining strong relationship with major carrier is essential for ensuring reliable shipping service. We should evaluate our supplier based on pricing, capability, and delivery schedule. Expanding our supplier base to include a diverse range of suppliers for different sectors will provide us with more option and flexibility. Regularly reviewing and assessing our supplier will help us identify any performance issue and allow for continuous improvement in our supply chain. The third recommendation is to streamline our procurement processes. Establishing clear and standardized procurement processes is crucial for consistency and efficiency in our operations. Implementing an efficient order fulfillment system that includes all necessary details is in the purchase order minimize errors and ensure accurate communication with suppliers. We should also consider utilizing electronic procurement systems or software to automate processes, reduce manual work, and improve overall efficiency. Lastly, continuous improvement and monitoring are essential for enhancing our procurement management. Regularly monitoring and evaluating our procurement processes will help us identify areas of improvement and optimize our operation. Seeking feedback from stakeholders will provide valuable insight into customer certification and help us identify areas for enhancing our procurement activities. Implementing key performance indicator KPI will provide measurable target and enable us to track our progress in procurement performance. Additionally, staying updated on industry trend and best practice will ensure that KGW Logistics remains competitive and adaptable in rapidly changing logistics sector. In conclusion, these recommendations address key aspects of procurement management and have the potential to greatly enhance our operation, supplier relationship, and overall customer certification. By implementing this suggestion, we can streamline our processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency in our procurement activities. And I'm confident that by embracing this recommendation, we can drive significant improvement in our procurement management at KGW Logistic.
In conclusion, KGW Logistic might have some benefits in their company when they are improving their procurement management. Here I put three key points that might help their company. Firstly, cost saving. Cost saving will help their company with efficient and effective procurement management process can result in cost saving for the company, such as optimizing supplier selection, negotiation better pricing and terms, applying economy of scale, and implementing cost control measure. Besides that, have enhanced supplier relationship. With improving procurement management, enable business to build deeper connection with their supplier by encourage open communication and collaboration. Last but not least, they will increase their operational efficiency, where streamlining procurement procedure and applying automation and technology solution can improve operational efficiency dramatically. So that's all for me. Thank you.